Welcome to Travel with Danny and MJ.
I'm Mary Jane.
And I'm Danny. We're traveling the world with just carry-ons and a backpack each. We've had a great stay here in Brussels. Our Airbnb has been one of the best parts of it. It is really well located, a few minutes walk to the Brussels North train station, and also a few minutes walk to the St. Catherine's entertainment and historic area, and then just beyond that, the rest of the historic area. We've really had a great time here, and now here's Mary Jane to give you a full tour of the apartment.
Oh, hello! Welcome to our Belgium apartment. We are in Brussels. We've been for a few weeks, and we'd love to show you around where we've been staying. So the first thing that we noticed when we walked in the door was there's another door, and what I learned is that the Belgians, maybe all Europeans, I don't know, they don't like to keep their toilet near their washroom space. So that took a little getting used to. Luckily, the apartment's not that big for all my trips to the restroom, but it's beautiful and comfortable. And come on into the rest of the place. Step down. So as you can see, we stayed in a pretty cool place. The apartment is owned by a designer, so she has cool elements, the poles, the nice wood, cool marble table, and who has a grand piano in their living room? We do. She's got some cool decor. This was a good spot to charge phones and computers and things. We had good cable. We watched football games in German and caught CNN at 3 a.m. New York time. But it's been good. Thank goodness for YouTube and connecting our computers. So it's been really comfortable. When we came into the apartment, there was no washing machine, which was part of the Airbnb agreement. But a day or two later, the owner said, okay, a washing machine is coming. And thank goodness it arrived, because we've done a lot of laundry, that's for sure. And this is just like a utility closet, mostly her stuff. We store our recycles and do our laundry and hang everything all over the place to dry. That's why we have a lot of clothes that dry quickly. And we went to the Choco Story, the chocolate museum, and made our own chocolate bars and lollipops, because when in Belgium, you must eat chocolate. So we are. And welcome to the dining room. This is where we ate, where we worked, where we've cleaned up, because this is where computers have been a lot of the time. But totally functional kitchen, really comfortable, easy to use. There is a dishwasher, but we only used it once or twice because we didn't make too many dishes. But we did cook in a lot because it's too expensive and there's too many calories to eat out all the time. We have a teeny tiny refrigerator compared to what we were used to. You know, this is nothing, but that's okay. We would go to the store and buy what we needed for the next 2 or 3 days, planned out meals, that's for sure. We've had a lot of pasta, we've had tuna, we made chicken cutlets, chicken breasts. We improvised with what was here. So totally functional kitchen. And look at this beautiful outdoor space. We really haven't been able to take advantage of it because it's chilly and it's gray here. But it lets in a lot of light, so that's been really nice. We're on the first floor, so you're kind of looking up instead of looking down. But it's been beautiful to have the light and the windows, and we've really been enjoying this apartment. So it's a big space, and now we're heading into the bedroom space. But before you get there, we're in the bathroom. And talk about an open concept. The shower basically, well, it faces outside, which is nice. And this is all glass. Now, if we needed to, we could close this to separate the bedroom from the living room, but we haven't really needed to do that. But the bathroom is really nice, really comfortable. Nice shower, good hot water, nice towels, nice tub, storage. So it's been really comfortable. And in the bedroom, again, we have the nice doors. It's very gray out today where it's usually gray here. We've had some sunshine, but we've had a lot of rainy, gray days, but it's okay. We have a nice bedroom. The only problem we've had here is the lights don't work well here, so it's kind of dark, but there's good storage. The owner left us bathrobes, so that's been comfortable. It's really nice. We've enjoyed our 3.5 weeks here, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. And we will see you on the next trip, so thanks for traveling with Danny and MJ.